Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm in amazing Japan. So lovely here. I really like very quiet, very peaceful. Not many people actually. For some reason, it's like very empty everywhere. Even in Tokyo, I was so surprised. Very, very peaceful place. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'm going to look at the Nasdaq and the tech stocks. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell down there. Join us in the Telegram, number 3 in the description. In the Telegram, you can talk to 9,000 other traders. And in the Telegram, there's 9,000 traders. That's where you see my alerts. If you click on the group, at the top, you'll see the link to the free chat where you can all talk together. So make sure you check that out as well. We're going to jump into Bitcoin technicals, Ethereum technicals, and then Nasdaq technicals. I'm going to show you technical analysis. What that is, it's predicting the movements of assets, stocks, cryptos using technical analysis. What is technical analysis? You're seeing the price. So every day there's a new price. So for example, Bitcoin right now is $30,000. That's today's price. So that would be a dot on the chart. And tomorrow Bitcoin's price is $30,300. So that would be a dot on the chart. And those dots, those everyday dots and those every hour dots, every minute dots make charts. And I'm going to show you technical analysis right now. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. You can learn all of this in the Crypto Master Course, number 1 in the description. Down below, there's 1, 2, 3 steps. DeFi is up 5% today. 5% in DeFi all of a sudden. Whoa, crazy, amazing. Congratulations. I'll go into DeFi after this. Uniswap 4.7%, IOTA 2.2%. Ethereum, altcoins having a pump right now. BNB up, Bitcoin up 30,400. Okay, so the dot on Bitcoin is actually higher. The trade from yesterday, if you took the trade yesterday, you are now massively in profits. If you have the trade from earlier today did not yet activate, it looks like Bitcoin is going to go for that run. 4 hourly we're overbought, but daily we're just coming off the bottom. Weekly we are very at the top, but still turning up. Monthly it's heading up strongly. Volume is also coming in. Look at the volume on Bitcoin. For example, down here, this was the volume on Bitcoin on 2021 when Bitcoin hit all-time high of 69K. Look at the volume now. Down here, volume predicts price. So when Bitcoin hit 69K, we had volume per week of 234,000 Bitcoin bought and sold per week on Bybit. And then when you look at the volume last week, we had 688,000 Bitcoin bought and sold. So there's way more volume, there's way more buying and selling happening on Bitcoin right now, 3 times more than the peak of the bull run. 3 times more volume on Bitcoin, buying and selling of Bitcoin right now than the peak of the bull run. So just volume predicts price. As I teach you, volume predicts price. We have this bull flag playing out. Bitcoin pumped out of that support. Congratulations to anyone that took the long from yesterday. You're huge in profits right now because the long activated around 29,600, which is beautiful. And it looks like Bitcoin is going to go for a run here. This bull flag is playing out. Stochastic oversold, volume coming in, but in the 4 hourly, stochastic is overbought. On the hourly, stochastic also overbought, but it's still got room to move in my opinion. Volume spiking on the buys. We're at monthly resistance. There's a resistance there. Where I would go long is from the weekly support. So if you haven't taken a long, I would go long on a little bit of a pullback onto the weekly support here. Stop loss I would put just underneath. Either this trade is going to work out or no, stop loss I'll put under the daily support. Well, it moved pretty much. It moved a lot today. So the risk to reward I would pull back because it moved a lot today. That's the trade. I'll set it at 30,067 and take profit all the way at the top of the $40,000 mark. We could pull it. It could fake everyone out first. So I would actually set the trade from here. 29,800 stop loss 29,505. Take profit 40,000. 33 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $313 to make $10,540 without leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $105,000. With 100x leverage, 1.1 million, which is beautiful trade. 33 risk to reward ratio trade. And that's how I would set it. Opening at 29,819. A little bit of a pullback and then going long on there. Congratulations to anyone that was long from yesterday, massively in the profits. Bitcoin, let's go on the daily. Crypto Guru bot is firing a blue buy, still on a blue buy. Bitcoin indicator bot on the weekly is also firing. It fired a sell on the weekly about 2 weeks ago, which is interesting. You've got to use the indicators with all the other indicators. Moving average cross on the weekly, crossed down here, all the way down here at 19,000 it crossed the moving average. So moving average is amazing. Golden cross. Where is the golden cross? On the weekly, you can't see it. Let's see on the daily. On the daily, the golden cross, we had a golden cross also down here at the $21,000 mark. We had a golden cross, which is beautiful. Good news for Bitcoin. Okay, let's go. That was Bitcoin technicals. If you want to trade Bitcoin, I'm going to do Ethereum next. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath the video in the description, 1, sign up to the courses, learn how to trade, learn how to set up your charts, learn how to set up trading view charts. 2, trading on Bybit. With this link, you get a $30,000 free bonus when you trade using this link and meeting all the requirements. 3, join all the crypto traders. There's 9,000 of you now in that Telegram. Let's go into Ethereum now. Ethereum. And then I want to do NASDAQ. Let's look at the tech stocks oh wow, tech stocks is getting hammered. Tesla down 3%, TSM 2%, 1% down. They didn't like the earnings. Google holding, but not much of a drop actually. There's not much pullbacks. It's very interesting. There's no pullbacks, not much pullbacks. Even on Bitcoin, we're getting little drops, but never really any pullbacks. Why? Because we bought the bottom. When you buy the top, everyone, when you buy the top of the market at 69K, when I was selling, and I told all of you to sell November 2021, November 11th, the day of the top, that's when people that don't know what they're doing start buying. That's when we're selling. But on the bottom of Bitcoin at 16K, that's when we were buying. So right now, there's not much pullbacks because you bought from the bottom. When you buy from the top, there's massive pullbacks. You drop 69K all the way down to 16K. But when you buy from the bottom, there's not much pullbacks. You buy from the bottom, you go from 16K all the way up to 69K, and we sell. That's when other people start buying. So again, you sell when everyone else is buying. You buy when everyone else is selling. And that's why you're not seeing much pullbacks, because we bought from the bottom. Let's jump into the Ethereum technicals now. Now we're going into Ethereum technicals. We're on this trend line. We're in this channel. You can clearly see from the beginning of 2023, Ethereum moving between this channel. Did Ethereum pump? Yes, Ethereum also pumped today, which is beautiful. It didn't activate the trade. It came close, but it didn't activate the trade from earlier today, but yesterday's trade activated. So congratulations to anyone that took yesterday's trade. And this bull flag looks like it's going to play out. And then we have a resistance. We'll have a resistance on Ethereum. Here, there'll be resistance at 2,066 and big major resistance 2,034, but the channel goes all the way up. If Ethereum pumps here, it can go to 2,684. Ethereum can go to 2,684 if it pulls out of this channel. Where I would go long, a little bit of a pullback on the daily, but volume is increasing. This is confirmed by volume, so there might not be much of a pullback, everyone. So I'd go long from here. Without much of a pullback, I'd go long from here. Stop loss under the daily. Support. Wow, big pump on the day. Crazy pump on the day. Congratulations, anyone that was long from yesterday. We caught that. Actually, it could pull back here if it pumps so much on the daily. And I put the stop loss under this and then take profit at the target of the overall target. But again, we have to monitor it as it moves up from here. Target would be all the way out here, 2,650 on Ethereum. 52 risk to reward ratio trade. Trade opens at 1,892. Stop loss 1,878, and take profit at 2,650. Risk to reward 52 times. So every dollar risk is 52 gain. Every $1,000 risk is 52,000 gain. Every $1 million risk is $52 million gain. That's how it works, risk to reward ratio. Risking $14 per Ethereum to make $757 with no leverage. With 100x leverage, that would be $75,000 profit, which will be beautiful. Again, the trade opens 1892, stop loss 1878, take profit 2650, which is beautiful. That's the trade I'll take on Ethereum, and it is confirming with the volume, which is good news. Now let's look at the XRP. People wanted me to do XRP. I didn't have a chance last video. So this is XRP USDT. We have to do it on Bybit because we're doing perpetual trading. I'm doing perpetual trading, so I'm leverage trading here. Wow. Congratulations, anyone that took... Oh, wait. It pumped and then hit the stop loss. So that XRP trade wasn't... It hit the stop loss. It wasn't. Congratulations on that XRP trade. From the bottom, XRP is up massive already. Look at that volume spike. Yesterday, the last week, there's been so much buying of XRP. Someone knows something, everyone. Massive buys on XRP this last week. I'm going to show you how many buys actually. And it's already up from the bottom. It went up 220%. Right now, it's already up 172% from the bottom. Meaning if you put $1 million, you now have almost $3 million. If you put $1,000, you have nearly $3,000. If you put $10,000, you have nearly $30,000. If you put $100,000, you have nearly $300,000. Clear bottoming formation also. Clear bottoming formation on XRP, which is beautiful, and volume massively increasing. What was your indicator to buy XRP down here at 30 cents? The volume. Volume predicts price. Look at the volume before XRP back in the last few years, and then look at the volume before it started pumping. Again, volume predicts price, and that's exactly what you're seeing with Bitcoin as well. So where is the resistances? We hit one major resistance on XRP already. This was a major resistance at 95 cents. Another major resistance on XRP will be at here, $1.30, $1.34. Where would I go long on XRP now? Stochastic is turning up on the weekly, daily heading up, massive buying volume. Look at this buying volume every day. So, okay, on the 13th of July, there was 5.35 billion XRP bought and sold. You can see on the left side, 5.35 billion XRP bought and sold on the 13th of July. That's crazy. That's almost $4 billion. XRP right now has more trading volume than BNB and Ethereum. XRP right now has more trading volume than BNB and Ethereum. And again, volume predicts price. So where would I go long on XRP? I'll do it from bull flag that pumped. It's dangerous to buy now because it's up so much. It's hard to go long here on such a strong pump. The major support would be here. If it pulls back XRP, you have strong support from here. So I would go long. The only safe place you can take long is 69 cents actually. It pumped too much too soon. I wouldn't go long here until a safe pullback. And I would go long from this support, 69 cents. And then the take profit will be the $1.30 resistance, major resistance. 15 risk to reward, not so amazing compared to the Bitcoin one, but still good because XRP already pumped so much. Risk to reward 15 times, it opens the trade 0.69 XRP, stop loss 0.65, and take profit 1.3. The 15 risk to reward ratio trade without leverage, 94% profit. With 10x leverage, 940% profit. With 100x leverage, it's 9,400% profit. That's the trade I would take on XRP. Now let's quickly go into the NASDAQ. Oh, the NASDAQ opened already. Oh, not yet. Wait, let me check. No, it still hasn't opened. So NASDAQ had a big rejection here. Today it's going to have a red candle, but what I'm seeing here is a giant bull flag on the NASDAQ. I'm still seeing a huge bull flag. Where? I'll draw it for you. So this is the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is now, when we bought the bottom, I called the bottom of the NASDAQ. It's already up 41%, the NASDAQ, from when we bought it. Congratulations, everyone. 41% in the NASDAQ already. Where would I go long? Now, what do I think is going to happen? I think we're going to pull back a little bit and we're going to continue. We have strong support at 14,165. Next target is 14,933. So I think we'll have a little bit of pullback on the tech stocks and then continue upwards towards that 16K going. I'm pretty sure that's what's going to be happening. So we have a little bit of a pullback to this support, which is only like a 300 point drop on the NASDAQ. We have a lot of support here at 14,165 and then a pump, which is beautiful. Again, if you want to do all of this under the video, 1, 2, 3, learn how to trade, jamescryptoguru.com. Take the crypto master course. You learn how to set up the charts, learn how to get the bots. 2, trading on Bybit, $30,000 bonus. 3, join that Telegram, which is beautiful. And my Bitcoin trade, I'm in trades right now. My Bitcoin trade, $315 in the profits. My Ethereum trade, $1,752 in the profits. This account, $288,000 in the profits. $288,000 exactly. And I'm up $3,000 today in this account. $108,000 on Bitcoin, $43,000 of USDT, $35,000 of MCRT, $31,000 of Uniswap pumping, which is beautiful. BNB, almost $18,000 of BNB. FXS still hasn't pumped, so I'm going to buy another $1,000 of FXS. Done. That's buying, which is beautiful. Those are my updates. That was very quick information, everyone. Updates on Bitcoin, Ethereum trades, XRP trades, and the NASDAQ. Have an amazing day. Love you all. Comment down below if you want me to analyze anything. And yeah, Binance blocked my account randomly. They just messaged me saying they're terminating my account. I logged in on Japan. My account was working fine for 6 years. I was involved in the BNB ICO. So I've been part of BNB for a very long time. It's one of my favorite cryptocurrencies, one of my favorite projects. But today they just randomly blocked my account and terminated it. I posted a tweet. You can go James Crypto Guru on Twitter. I posted a tweet contacting Binance. Hopefully they fix this issue. But again, be careful keeping large funds on exchanges, everyone, because this is exactly what you got to be careful about. I only had $20,000 on Binance because I use it for just moving money, moving money to my bank account pretty much. Maybe that's why they also flagged it, because I'm doing most of my trading on Bybit. I just like Bybit more. It's safer. I know the CEO personally. They're the second biggest exchange, so they will compete with Binance. Binance is taking all the heat because it's the biggest exchange. And another thing, everyone, why all these problems is happening in crypto? Because the Western governments are cracking down on the cryptocurrency exchanges. Why? Because they want the banks to control you. They want to control your money. They want to control your lives. So what can you do about it? Go to chatgod.ai or ChatGPT. Say, I want to contact my local politicians in my country. You type your country, ChatGPT or chatgod.ai, and say, I want to contact my local politicians and I want to have crypto and I want to be able to use crypto in my country. What do I have to do? And the AI will tell you exactly what to do. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.